Welcome back. Today we're going to be changing an AC belt on this 2007 Chevy Silverado. So the belt that we're replacing is not this main Serpentine belt, it's this belt down here that goes to the AC compressor on this side. This is the replacement belt. You can use it for a part number if you need. To get started, we'll need a 15mm wrench or socket and ratchet. We're going to start over here on the tensioner. I'm going to rotate this clockwise. We're going to remove the belt off the tensioner and remove the belt off the crankshaft pulley. Now, I'm actually going to leave the belt mostly in place for, well, so get it above the water pump. Other than that, that belt can stay in place. Now, for this part, you need a 3/8 drive ratchet and a short 3/8 extension. And this will be used in the tensioner on the bottom. So this is the belt that we're removing. This is the tensioner here. And so the 3/8 just goes inside of this. Now once you have that set, simply do like such, rotate counterclockwise, and then you'll be able to remove this belt. As you can see, this belt has lots of wear, lots of cracks in it. As always, compare side by side with your new belt and then replace it. So this will start with the crank pulley because that's the big one. We'll get it over the air conditioning compressor. There we go. Now we will get the tensioner in place. Maybe I'll have to take it back off the air conditioning compressor and get the tensioner out of the way. Put it back over the AC compressor. There we go. That looks to be routed on there pretty well. Run the grooves all the way around. Also in the grooves on the crankshaft pulley. So there you have it. It's in place. Slightly tricky, but not too bad. So now we will reroute the Serpentine belt. Since all we took off was the tensioner and the crankshaft pulley, that's all we got to put back on. So wrap this back around. There we go. And then, all that's left to do is to depress the tensioner and set the belt back over that tensioner pulley. There we go. So over that, there. Route it inside of there. And there we have it. Things back on with the new AC belt. Oh, we got a problem. Our belt has come slightly off of our power steering pulley. So, let's fix that. What we'll need to do is take some tension off. via the tensioner once again. Now, once tension has been relieved somewhat, we can reset this belt. All right. It's on there good, it's on here. It's on there. Water pump. It's on the crankshaft, pulley, and of course it's on the tensioner. All right, so everything looks good now. Awesome. Beautiful. No squeaking. And that's how you change the AC belt and the Serpentine belt on a 2007 Chevy Silverado, or also a 2007 GMC Sierra. Thanks for watching.